media kising chamo amariu chini TTI DC ni bukhakti tayo zarawa khaka moya panu sungu ainai 21st December chini bisikatal changnani sarang aham dodong nai aboni bagbo chini hasteni luku tai TTI si area ni luku rokno jotono khakchangma hambai jotoni lukungono katal bishibuni chimi sangmani chimino kaham playei chini hasteni lukuro TTI DC area ni lukuro jotono kaham tong jotoni lukungono hamari paitong o mono biaye arang tini oraseng kaisa kaham wansukmung kaham nahamung tuyoi chini hastewo tai TTI DC amchayo je drug management tomoni amono tuyoi sum kisa koplam oro press conference sum nar plaine puile ko kha haise chini hastewo tai TTI DC amchayo especially je nukhung ro sarai ro tongo jotto nukhung mon sarai ro o sarai ro chini thina sarai ro ni chini ba bisi borok chini thina kai borni bo chini wan suk thai tongo borok no sung yak tolnani borok no chubanani biang thanga ka kaham nai lekha polnan phasing babak phasing go gai khenani yak tolnani chini responsibility tomo pia sung tabu tamonukha borongi babak je right somani porinani borongi imang nukmani babak tongkhano chini amchai rogo drugs belai lomoi tongkha drugs simi bai ngari tongkhamung abo solormani je beram ro botongo o solormani beram ro phasingo thanglai tongkha drug lomoi tongkha chini dofa digisigi ligi lagai tongkha awon bagai sung o drug kaisa meni abono sini kasonani poile hangkai kaisa sini parja aboni ulo hangkai je cherai ro drugs nawoi tabu digisigi ligi lagai tongkha borok nobo kaham labo timnani obocini kaisa daito abono timnani hangkai jini rehab center nango chini bisingo aboni bagoi jengtabu potro potrika nakhai tamono 3800 HIV affected kham nai sing jotono Simon like 3800 3800 abo rokana gini ni dai kokunglia 사분이 누군 거 아버 탄 거에 그런 거만 좀 기샤파는 완속이 뭐냐 아버 묵자가 공락 콕자 뭐인데 아버니 바거이 어 완속 공로는 하루나 다부 TTI DC 하방 다이 TTI DC 야가리고 스테이트 거버넌이 이제 functionaries 동나이 borno tuyei kaisa committee khazakha ge o committee bo oro chini hapang hasebo TTI DC dai state o je NGOs rok tongmani dokhani bagai sam tongmani borok nobo oro khobjakha Poilawa ang saran musungo o committee je tongmani committee o chini TTADC hapangni Chief Executive Officer Sri C.K. Jamatia bongnai chairman o committee ni je o committee ni bung rijaka Drug Awareness and Rehabilitation Committee TTADC abun chairman ka Sri C.K. Jamatia CEO TTADC और बिनी इंगोर प्रजाका Vice Chairman Captain G.S. Rathi Advisor to TTADC मनोर जतन नरक सिनी भाइयो Brand Ambassador नरक जाका जों आगेन सिमिनो बो और फाइबो दंगो श्री बाइचुंग भुटिया Indian Football Legend बो फाइबो थांका Members दंगो Government Departments Director Social Welfare Social Education Government of Tripura Director, School Education, Government of Tripura, Superintendent of Police, West Tripura, Commandant 7th Battalion, CRPF, Kumulum, Avan Muloto, Commandant 7th Battalion, TSR, Kumulum, Chief Medical Officer, West Tripura, our state government, Government of Tripura, Principal Officer Health, Chini TTADC, Principal Officer Education, TTADC, Principal Officer Social Education, Social Welfare, TTADC, Principal Officer Sports and Youth Affairs. Among hangkai jara chini government among TTADC chini functionary rok ni bisingo. Member society or the tongai rok ni bisingo tongo. Bisho Deborma, Dopa Hamkrai, Kishore Deborma, Chumui or Arjina Deborma, Lam Katal, Bodol, Santosh Deborma, Chati Welfare, Koram Deborma, Kumulung Anti-Drugs. Abang Tongo, Bidulal Deborma, Chung Sasa Welfare. Abang Tongo, Yubraj Deborma, Urwa Anti-Drugs. Abang Tongo, Amil Oriang, Social Activist, Tuton Deborma, HND, Shopnarian, HND. Ito Sinan Bagwi Portugal Divano. Shivani Deborma, MWS, actually it should be MWS, Maharaja Bilbigrum Welfare Society. Vishaka Deborma, MWS, Sanjay Deborma, HNB, Hakesh, na Rakesh.
It is Hakesh.
Hakesh Riang, YBA, Bivash Deborma, TSF, Monju Deborma, TBS, Sadhana Deborma, SBB, Padma Hori Jamatia, BGM, Ratan Kanti Jamatia, BGM, Purobi Deborma, Mondra, Sovita Koloi, Mondra. Abongkha Pura Committee, je overall work supervision Klainai, Abono monitoring Klainai, Obze Tauze Kotomani, and je tinta stage protection. And guy borno Klainani, je already drug management cover Jaka, Borno Yakuloni, Tairi Habo, Toriway, overall Borno, Kaham Kurum Klaye, Teusha, Taimona Agni Hai Klainani, Chini Society no, drug free society, Klainani Bagoi, Obokaisha, Yapri Ramzaka, Jotor Lukuro, Ani Nini Yawe, Kolobia Way. Baksakai drag by Ramzaka, Saputi Ramzaka, Kolobda Musujam. Kolobka Hankai, Abotai, Tebo Hamian Night. Kolobia way, Ali Busan, Nini Busan Yaway, Nini Busabomono, Ali Busabomono, Jason Busabomono, Borogno, drug free cleaner Bagoi, drag with the Kobolzaka drag by Bahikle Borogno, Drug Rehabilitation Center at TVOI, Kaham Kurum Klayoy, Chini Dofani, Koroksa Adam, Samun Namnai Adam. Hinjagoi Dofao Kibil Thermanani Nukungo Teha Samunang Pinani Bini Bonotesha Borok Lati Shemanani, Obuchuana Bagoi, Chini Hasteni Joto Lukuro, TTADC, Aptani Joto Lukumithani, TTADC Ingoi, or Kobogum, Narjao, Tabu Kang Chini Lang Siu no Kore, and Samari Karjago Tomake, Obono, Savidisha supplementary. Honorable Executive Member,
Education, the PWD Department Sri Chittaranjan Department balai hambai. Tini ora press release manda pekya chini TTADC ni advisor Captain G.S. Rathi, the young tongo additional CU and Principal Officer Health, the Principal Officer Social Welfare, Social Education, the societies ni ora members of tongo. Pilla jotona hambai Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Administration taraf theke je ang pilla nithini saitama je chini tabok je Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Authority is very vibrant, very dynamic and progressive. Tabok jeta jang mukha je chini lukuo jebabe drug influence ng itong ka, panimbangay. Ama Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ne kaisa concern je jeng saiman o je every child has got the right to be well born well. After being born, borok kaham nukhungo, kaham family go buang pabai donganani, takubukubai donganani. The Chirairok has got the right to education, to be brought up. Lastly, they have every right to become a good citizen for our society. Kintu tabuk zegabe drug ni influence mitangka, drug mandavitangka, bani bangichang. Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council no udhuke, comprising all stakeholders, sangkaisa comprehensive, very effective, sangkaisa committee form laika, abana honorable EM jotana shaikhana raka, angata bukchang, or no kaisa press release to that effect, sang press release tabukchang or no renai, joto media persons sangna, to the state also we are sending this copy. Press release na ang isang parikhanarana na Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council forms Drug Awareness Committee to check drug abuse and HIV. Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council has set up a committee for prevention of substance use to motivate people, especially the youth, to abstain from drug abuse and HIV. The committee will make the youth aware of the ill effects of drug abuse and HIV. The committee will be headed by the Chief Executive Officer TTADC. The advisor TTADC will be the Vice Chairman, followed by additional CU Social Welfare TTADC as Member Secretary. The members include Director Social Welfare and Social Education, Government of Tripura, Director School Education, Government of Tripura, Superintendent of Police, West District, Commandant 7th Battalion TSR, Commandant 71 Battalion CRPF, Chief Medical Officer, West, Government of Tripura, Principal Officer Health, ADC, Principal Officer Social Welfare and Social Education, ADC, Principal Officer Education, ADC, and 21 members from social organizations working in the field of drugs, HIV and rehabilitation. Indian football legend Vaichung Bhutia will be brand ambassador in the fight against drugs and HIV. The committee will formulate campaign activities in all the districts covered under TTAADC and will also ensure formulation and implementation of district campaigns and rehabilitation of the drug survivors. Besides ensuring community participation, the committee will conduct training programs for service providers at all levels. The committee will also prepare a social media strategy for the campaign. Apart from these, it will visit institutions, hospitals, rehabilitation centers, and affected places. the committee will overall ensure strict implementation of the program and bringing solution to this social evil. Amake sung press release tabok jotana rinai. Sini main objective hangkai prevention tabok the try rok tongnai borona bahake from drug influence borona bahake prevention kainai bani pare jara manjak tongnai na borona treatment khlainani bangai bani pare rehabilitation khlainani bangai o tinta sung objective tui tabok drug awareness committee chung form khlaika bani pare chung pulan sakaje whole December month na chung drug awareness month ini chung declare khlaika angka accordingly chung activities ni schedule check out khlainai chung tabok changnai jotona hambai.
Thank you very much, sir. On the very onset, I am really thankful to all the media people over here and our honorable executive member, our honorable CEO Sahab, additional CEO Sahab, and PO Health, PO Social Welfare, and all the members of the civil society present over here. Well, this is a matter of grave concern that we are addressing of the press briefing today. And in the past also we already had one press media briefing regarding the drug awareness month of December, which is already in the pipeline, which is going on. And further on ये हमने ये पूरे का पूरा जो एक कमेटी अभी इसका गठन किया है और सिचुएशन बहुत ग्रिम है एंड स्पेशली जो TTADC एरियाज़ के अंदर अब देखिए कि अभी पीछे वी वेंट टू सम रिहेबिलिटेशन सेंटर और एक रिहेबिलिटेशन सेंटर में कम से कम 50-100 लोग HIV पॉजिटिव हैं. सो इसके अंदर हम यही है कि जितना जो सिविल सोसाइटी और सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के जो मेंबर हैं उनको हम अपील करते हैं कि दे शुड पार्टिसिपेट एक्टिवली इन द फाइट अगेंस्ट द ड्रग्स. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ये नहीं है कि जो हमने ये जो कमेटी बनाया है ये 30-35 लोगों का तो इन्हीं लोगों का काम है, नहीं. इसके अंदर हर एक आदमी जो हमारा त्रिपुरा में जुड़ा हुआ है, हर एक नागरिक जो त्रिपुरा का है, इट इज़ अ ड्यूटी ऑफ ईच वन एंड एवरीवन टू कम अहेड and join hands with the TTADC to fight against this deadly menace of the drugs. And apart from that, I'm really thankful to the government of TTADC and the entire administration of the TTADC for taking up this kind of initiative. And this is not only the initiative, rather this is a mission which TTADC has taken up, and I firmly believe that we will be getting the success in this mission and we will come out in flying colors, because it is a matter of survival and existence of our youth. And youth is basically जो एक forefront के ऊपर होता है, that is the main force. तो उसको हमारे बचाना है हमें, and it is above all the political lines. तो हमें इसके अंदर एकजुट होके हमें काम करना है और हम इसके अंदर जीतेंगे और हमें इसके अंदर विजय मिलेगी. That's all what I have to say. Thank you very much.